Unique places to explore in Mumbai. Mumbai, the bustling city of dreams, is not just about skyscrapers and the famous Bollywood industry. Beneath its fast-paced lifestyle lies a treasure trove of unique and fascinating places waiting to be explored. From historical landmarks to vibrant markets and serene pockets of nature, Mumbai offers a diverse range of experiences for every type of traveler. Let's delve into the heart of the city and discover some of the unique places that make Mumbai truly special. Dhobi Ghat. Tucked away in the heart of Mumbai, Dhobi Ghat is the world's largest open-air laundry. Witness the meticulous washing, drying, and ironing of clothes by the Dhobis, washermen. It's a mesmerizing spectacle that gives a glimpse into Mumbai's unique laundry ecosystem. Chor Bazaar. Known as the Thieves Market, Chor Bazaar is a haven for antique hunters and bargain seekers. From vintage Bollywood posters to antique furniture, you can find a wide array of treasures here. The chaotic yet vibrant atmosphere adds to the charm of this market. Khotachiwadi. Escape the urban chaos and step into Khotachiwadi, a quaint Parsi village in the heart of Mumbai. Admire the well-preserved Portuguese-style wooden houses adorned with colorful windows and blooming bougainvillea. It's a peaceful retreat that feels like a journey back in time. Street art in Bandra. Bandra, known for its vibrant culture, boasts impressive street art that adds character to its lanes. Take a stroll through the bylanes of Chapel Road and discover murals depicting the city's spirit, making it a unique open-air art gallery. Mani Bhavan. History enthusiasts should not miss Mani Bhavan, the former residence of Mahatma Gandhi. This two-story museum showcases his life and work through photographs, artifacts, and the room where he stayed during his visits to Mumbai. It's a serene place that echoes the Gandhian philosophy. Global Vipassana Pagoda. Standing tall in Ghoda, the Global Vipassana Pagoda is a symbol of peace and tranquility. The structure enshrines the world's largest stone dome without any supporting pillars. Surrounding gardens provide a serene environment, making it an ideal spot for meditation. Mumbai's Dabbawalas. Experience the efficiency of Mumbai's famed Dabbawalas, who deliver lunchboxes to office-goers with remarkable precision. Dive into the local culture by witnessing the intricate process of sorting and delivering thousands of lunchboxes, a unique aspect of Mumbai's daily life. Flora Fountain. A historic fountain in the heart of the city, Flora Fountain is a stunning piece of colonial architecture. Surrounded by iconic buildings, it's a great spot to take a leisurely stroll and appreciate the blend of old and new Mumbai. Jehangir Art Gallery. Art lovers should explore the Jehangir Art Gallery, a prominent hub for contemporary Indian art. Located in the heart of South Mumbai, this gallery showcases a diverse range of artworks, providing a platform for both established and emerging artists. Mumbai's Coastal Road. For a leisurely drive with breathtaking views, take a ride on Mumbai's Coastal Road. Enjoy the sea breeze as you drive along the Arabian Sea, with the iconic Bandra-Worli Sea Link in the backdrop. Elephanta Island. Hop on a ferry and head to Elephanta Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient caves. Marvel at the intricate rock-cut sculptures and reliefs that depict Hindu and Buddhist art, making it a captivating historical destination. Haji Ali Dargah. A unique blend of Islamic and Indo-Islamic architecture, Haji Ali Dargah is a revered religious site situated on an islet off the coast of Worli. The stunning white structure and its location make it a peaceful retreat with panoramic views of the Arabian Sea. Juhu Beach Night Market. For a different experience of Juhu Beach, visit the night market that comes alive with stalls offering street food, accessories, and quirky items. The lively atmosphere and twinkling lights make it a delightful evening spot. Dharavi. Contrary to its portrayal in popular media, Dharavi is a vibrant and industrious neighborhood. Take a guided tour to explore the small-scale industries, vibrant street art, and the resilient spirit of the people, offering a unique perspective on urban life. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, CST. Formerly known as Victoria Terminus, CST is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an architectural marvel. The intricate details of this Victorian Gothic building, coupled with its bustling atmosphere, make it a must-visit for history and architecture enthusiasts. Powai Lake. Escape the city buzz and relax by Powai Lake, an artificial lake surrounded by lush greenery. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride or simply unwind by the lakeside, providing a serene break from Mumbai's urban hustle. Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. If you happen to visit in February, don't miss the Ghoda Arts Festival. This annual event transforms the Ghoda area into a vibrant cultural hub with art installations, performances, and workshops, celebrating Mumbai's artistic spirit. Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Experience nature in the midst of the city at Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Home to diverse flora and fauna, the park offers trekking trails, a lion safari, and the ancient Canary Caves, providing a refreshing escape for nature enthusiasts. Colaba Causeway. Shopaholics should explore Colaba Causeway, a bustling street market offering a variety of goods. From trendy clothes to quirky accessories and handmade crafts, it's a shopper's paradise with a unique Mumbai flair. Sassoon Docks. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of Sassoon Docks, one of the oldest fish markets in Mumbai. Witness the hustle and bustle as fishermen bring in their catch of the day, providing an authentic glimpse into the city's coastal life. Worli Sea Face. Enjoy a serene evening at Worli Sea Face, a popular promenade overlooking the Arabian Sea. The picturesque sunset views and the calming sea breeze make it an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll or a moment of solitude. Versova Beach and Fishing Village. Explore the less crowded Versova Beach and its neighboring fishing village. Witness the bustling fish market, adorned with colorful boats, and enjoy fresh seafood at the local eateries. Mount Mary Basilica. Perched atop a hill in Bandra, Mount Mary Basilica is a beautiful Catholic church known for its peaceful ambiance and stunning views of the Arabian Sea. It's a serene spot for reflection and prayer. Mumbai Metro. For a unique perspective of the city, take a ride on the Mumbai Metro. Glide above the busy streets, witnessing the city's dynamic landscape and iconic landmarks from a different vantage point. Nehru Science Center. Ideal for families and science enthusiasts, the Nehru Science Center offers interactive exhibits and educational displays. It's a fun and informative destination, making science engaging for visitors of all ages. Dulali Taproom. Craft beer enthusiasts can unwind at Dulali Taproom in Colaba. This microbrewery offers a cozy ambiance, a variety of craft beers, and board games, providing a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. Mumbai Film City. Embark on a guided tour of Film City, the heart of Bollywood. Explore the film sets, studios, and maybe even catch a glimpse of your favorite stars in action, offering a unique behind-the-scenes experience. Carter Road Promenade. Enjoy a laid-back evening at Carter Road Promenade in Bandra. Lined with cafes and offering stunning sea views, it's a popular spot for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing cup of coffee. Mumbai's best-kept secret, the Banganga Tank. Nestled in Walkeshwar, the Banganga Tank is a hidden gem. This ancient water tank is surrounded by temples and tranquil surroundings, making it a serene spot away from the city's hustle. Essel World and Water Kingdom. For a day of fun and excitement, head to Essel World and Water Kingdom, the largest amusement and water parks in Asia. Perfect for families and thrill seekers, these parks offer a range of rides and attractions. Mumbai, a city that never sleeps, is a melting pot of cultures, histories, and experiences. From the vibrant street markets to serene historical sites, each corner of the city has a unique story to tell. Whether you're exploring the bustling markets of Chor Bazaar, taking a tranquil boat ride at Powai Lake, or immersing yourself in the artistic atmosphere of Ghoda, Mumbai's charm lies in its diversity. So, put on your explorer's hat and uncover the hidden gems that make Mumbai a truly unique and fascinating destination. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.